Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about 3 new Instagram DM features like Active Now, Quicksend and Silence. So let's just get into here, and first feature is Active Now. I can check how it works if I go into my DMs, and there at the top of the DMs I now able to see all the persons that are active now. It shows up like stories, so here will be all the persons that are now online, and it's easy to tap here at the person's photo to start DM with that person. Also, to enable this feature you need to go to your profile, tap on 3 lines icon, there select settings, next privacy, and there select activity status, and here you need to make sure that both of that options are turned on, and then go to the next new Instagram feature, it's Quicksend. So if you're watching your Instagram feed and you got the post that you want to share with someone, just tap here and hold on send message icon, and if you hold, there is appearing a list of people whom you are most frequently send DMs. So you can move your finger left or right to select that people, and when you release the finger, that message was already sent in DM to that specific person. You can check this. Here you see that that post was successfully sent right now. That's pretty cool. And the next new feature in DMs, it's silent. I can write here any message and it will deliver without notification. It can be useful if you don't want to bother that person, or maybe this person is working right now or sleeping. So to send a silent message, just write here like that, silent, and now you can add here any text and then send it. That's how it works, and make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.